Good morning. So today we're in a 2-bedroom house. The tenants just moved in and we're going to freshen up the carpets for her. We've got a hallway. We've got 2 large reception rooms, staircase and 2 bedrooms upstairs to do. So what we're going to do is pre-spray the carpets. Use the rotor machine to spread the detergent into the carpets and then extract it off with the carpet machine. Nice, clean, lovely job. And then also go over the edges with our upholstery tool. Exactly what we're talking about. The tenants already tried to clean the carpets themselves. So what this does is make our job even harder. So all finished, this 2-bedroom house. We've just done 2 bedrooms upstairs, staircase, landing downstairs, 2 reception rooms. So we've done, pre-sprayed it, agitated it in with a rotor machine, and then we extracted it off with the carpet extractor.